How to get Robux with Microsoft Rewards, 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you play Roblox and want free Robux without spending your own money, Microsoft Rewards is your answer. It's completely legitimate, run directly by Microsoft, and costs you nothing to join. Let me show you exactly how it works. What is Microsoft Rewards? Microsoft Rewards is a free loyalty program where you earn points by doing simple everyday tasks online, searching on Bing, completing quizzes, and daily activities. Those points can be redeemed for gift cards, including Roblox gift cards, which convert directly into Robux. Getting started first, you need a Microsoft account. If you have Xbox or Outlook, you already have one. If not, go to Account Microsoft.com and create one for free. Then head to Rewards Microsoft.com and click Join Now. Enrollment is instant and completely free. How to earn points? The easiest way to earn is by searching on Bing every single day. You get points for PC searches and separate points for mobile searches through the Bing app, so do both. On top of that, check the rewards dashboard daily for quizzes, polls, and activities that take under a minute each but add up fast. If you have Xbox, link it to your rewards account for even more earning opportunities. Redeeming for Robux. Once you have enough points, go to Rewards, Microsoft.com, click Redeem, and find the Roblox gift card in the catalog. Select your denomination, confirm, and get your code instantly by email. Then go to Roblox.com, enter the code in the gift card section, and your Robux land in your account immediately. That is all there is to it. Stay consistent with your daily searches and activities, and you can keep Robux coming in every month for free. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.